Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mommy Jen, aka Jen, and this is gonna be my first Christmas room makeover. So keep on watching, but let's get straight onto it. I'm gonna turn on my Christmas candle. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and decorate this little mirror section. Before that, I want to let you guys know that I actually made these bows myself, and I went ahead and made, I believe, 5 of these, 2 big ones and 3 small ones. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. But anyways, I went ahead and bought these little things also from, I believe these were like from the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna also be adding them here. I'm gonna go ahead and add the bows. One at this corner. Then I also made these little small ones that I'm also gonna put kind of all around. I also last minute ended up buying these little spheres things. Okay, we had to take a little break to make all these balls because they were so hard, but now that they're on there, I'm gonna hang them all over. That looks good. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave that behind my door. And now we're done with the wall. So now let's go ahead and move on to the bed. And for this year, I ended up choosing this snowman design. It's gray, so I'm kind of staying with like the silver gray colors this year. So, and I did my makeup also like a gray lid, so I don't know if you guys noticed, and also red and green, so Christmas theme. But let's go ahead and put this onto the bed, and I'll be right back. Voila! Now my bed is done. So now let's go ahead and move over to my vanity. So this is my little glasses area, and the things that I'm going to be taking out of here are going to be this, the pumpkin, these lights, this water bottle. I'm going to move it. Here I'm going to be putting a little snowman here just because I like how it looks here. And the fun thing about the snowman is that it does come with a little plate, and I chose this little Christmas like Mickey Mouse theme one. So this goes here on its belly, and I think it's so cute because you can put chocolates, which that's what literally I'm doing. And I also bought like these little Lindor ones that I'm also going to be putting in here just in case somebody does come over. They have like a little snacky too. This is how my glasses area is gonna look. So now let's move on to the vanity wheel part now. Okay, well, for my vanity, I'm gonna go ahead and be taking off all these little pumpkin decorations that I have here. Little coffee break. I also have this Halloween decoration I'm also gonna put to the side. Then I have this other little witch Halloween decoration I have to get rid of. This orange layer, I'm going to take it off. These other little mats that I'm going to put here, and voila, it looks like this. So now let's go ahead and get straight to decorating. So I did buy myself this little also gray type of charcoal colored Santa Claus, which I am for sure going to be placing here. I want to say I like how he looks there in this corner. I also went ahead and grabbed this stocking. I do have this little thing that I'm going to put this one here. So I think these go like that. That way you're able to see the silver snowman. I don't know, but that's how I'm going to be doing it. If you don't like it, onto the wall. This stocking is going to take its place. I really love the decoration. It's gonna be the whole final tour. This is basically the end result. Silver on this. Thank you, kitties. That will be it for today. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my room Christmas makeover, and to everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye guys.